Hey, Jason from xFanatical here. In this short video, I will demonstrate how to approve mobile devices in bulk from a list in Google Workspace using xFanatical Foresight Automation tool. In today's fast-paced world, managing mobile devices efficiently is crucial for any organization. With the ever-growing number of devices, approving them individually can be time-consuming and tedious. Hence, xFanatical Foresight Automation tool introduces bulk approving mobile devices from a list to eliminate these manual redundant tasks for the admin. It automates the process and helps the admin to perform this task efficiently. Instruction. The rule is divided into two parts. Part 1. Prepare the CSV file for the mobile devices to be approved. Part 2. Approve the exported mobile devices. Part 1 of the rule. Log into your xFanatical Foresight account with your Google admin account. Go to the Rules page and click the New Rule button. Step 1. Select the manual trigger from the Select a Trigger screen. Click Next. Step 2. In the Select an Action screen, select List Mobile Devices action. Keep only 3 columns: Device ID, Device User Email, and Device Status. Make sure you select the Device Status column, as it's essential for exporting the device's status. Click Review. Step 3. Enter the rule name and click Create. Triggering of the rule. Click the play icon to trigger the rule. The process may take a few seconds to complete. Verifying results. A notification will appear in the top right-hand corner. Click on it, then select View Log. Download the CSV file from the download link. From this CSV file, you will see that the status of certain devices is marked as pending, indicating they have not yet been approved. Part 2 of the rule. Go to the Rules page and click the New Rule button. Step 1. Select the Data Uploaded trigger from the Select a Trigger screen. Click on the Upload box and upload the downloaded CSV. Wait for the CSV to be parsed. Click Next. Step 2. On the Select an Action screen, click the Approve Mobile Device action. Select Device ID in the Device ID field and Device User Email in the User Primary Email field. Click Review. Step 3. Give rule name and click Create. Triggering of the rule. Click Upload icon and then upload the same CSV file again. The process will take a few seconds. Verify the results from Google Admin Console. It's simple and easy. If you have yet to install Foresight, apply for a 14 days trial. If you like our video, hit the thumbs up. Also, subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell icon to get notifications about the news, trends, and products that help you manage your business very well. To learn more, please visit xfanatical.com.